Hi, this is a different sort of video. We've got a giveaway and there's 3 people that you should be watching. The giveaway is 310cm reflectors. More about that later. Right, the first person you should be following is brendanvanson. He's a travel photographer. He's a nomad. He lives out of a suitcase. And he's visited many countries, and just lately he's been to Iceland, Britain, Thailand, Mexico, and he does a fair bit of landscape photography, and you can get the ins and outs of that. He also does a vlogging style which is very engaging. He more or less every month he shows you where his revenue comes from and his expenditure, and how he achieves it all. And he's well worth watching. So let's have a look now.
We got up early this morning and I realized I kind of made a mistake. I thought sunrise was at 7, but I forgot to update the location on the app I use, and sunrise was at 6:30. But we're at El Chiflón now. El Chiflón doesn't officially open until 7. We're in basically just a little bit before 7. Lots of waterfalls in here. I think it's like 5 waterfalls, and hopefully some waterfall photography coming up. Let's go explore.
Next one is Damien Brown. Now this guy, he does photographic reviews. In the main it's all reviews, and he's got quite a good way of describing and reviewing things. He's recently changed over to a Fuji system, so it's quite a lot of Fuji stuff. But if you like reviews, then this is the guy to go to. Let's have a look.
Little beauty, the Godox X1 TF TTL wireless flash trigger. Let's take a look. Dead cheap, £37.
Next one is lynneluxon-jones, and she's a landscape photographer, and YouTube is all really about landscape photography. I think she does, she's a professional photographer and doesn't do that in a job, but these videos are well worth watching, and she gives you sort of insight on how to shoot. So let's have a look.
We wanted snow, and by golly we've got snow. It's absolutely phenomenal. We crawled up to the Glencoe Ski Lodge to have a bit of a bite to eat and a cup of tea. And while we were there, the snow came down, and it probably put down 2 or 3 inches. But you can see behind me now, we've got a bit of blue sky.
So that's 3 to look out for, and I'll put their details in the description. Now, the giveaway of the 3 reflectors, gold silver reflectors, make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment down below, and we'll pick the best 3. So if you've got any queries, you can also put them down below. Please like this and share it, because that helps, and subscribe. And we'll see you again next time.